Welcome back. You're here with us on Times Now. You're watching our continuous coverage as far as the father of all trade deals, Sagarika, as it is being called, as it's done now after months of negotiations.
And the big number, Hina, is the fact that from 50%, now the number is down to 18%, because of which markets are cheering. Investors are celebrating. What are the markets looking like, Hina, today? And what does this mean largely? Explain to us.
Well, Sagarika, simply put, this deal, in fact, has put an end to the uncertainty that was there in the stock markets. From August last year, the foreign institutional investors started pulling money out of the Indian stock markets, and that was a big cause of concern. The question was, if our macros are looking good, growth is good, inflation is down, why are foreign investors pulling their money out of the Indian market? So that certainty, in fact, has now come back in the stock markets. As far as Sensex is concerned, in the pre-open, we saw Sensex seeing a huge gain, and then that's something that doesn't really happen very often. In fact, as we speak also, Sensex is looking very, very comfortable. It's a sea of green today that we are witnessing. If you look at Nifty 50 right now, it's seeing a gain of about 2.69%. As far as Sensex is concerned, Sensex is also up over 2,000 odd points. So markets seeing a sea of green. This is largely the Nifty heat map that we are showing to our viewers. All the Nifty 50 stocks and textile sector, most importantly, is looking the best as far as this is concerned, because the textile exporters were very badly hit after the tariffs kicked in.
So a sea of green, good news for investors. Markets are cheering. And viewers, time now for us to take a short commercial break. We'll be back with more news and updates.